So I'm going to make a really quick video just to show you guys how to see the feedback on your exam or really any quiz on D2L because I've received a couple of emails and it's not the easiest to find. So this would be our standard page. Yes, this is section 90, but it looks almost identical to section 10. What you do is you go to your assessments, go down to quizzes, and then your exam should pop up here. Notice on the right hand side it says the evaluation status and it says feedback on attempt. If you click that blue hyperlink, you'll then be taken to your attempt. Obviously you guys only did one attempt at the exam, so we click on attempt 1. And then if you scroll through these, this is my student one, so I didn't answer any of them. It basically should have your answers. And then if I gave feedback, which I usually only really give feedback on the ones that you got wrong, you can click on the view feedback and it should be typed here. So it might be like part A, double check this addition, or C, is this really recursive, or something like that. It also breaks down how you lost the points. So I usually do in parentheses at the end of my feedback, like -2 for this part or -5 for this part. The only one that I tended to grade a little bit more holistically was the thinking and doing chart. I just have a standard rubric that I follow for that, very similar to how I grade your guys' thinking and doing charts in class normally. But everything else should be like, it asks you the question in terms of the feedback and then it says minus blank. So that's how I got all of your stuff. If you still have questions beyond this, definitely please send me an email or set up an office hour appointment.